There's something unique and special about these 100 acres of farmland in California's Salinas Valley. It's the home of a nonprofit organization called Alba.
The letters actually stand for the Agricultural Land-Based Training Association. Alba also means dawn in Spanish, which is really fitting because this is a place of new beginnings for people.
Since 2001, Alba has been helping low-income farm workers become independent farming entrepreneurs by offering a 5-year program with both classroom and in-field training.
¿Cuántas líneas de sprinkles tenemos? In this place, there's no shortage of inspiration. They're coming here because they have an idea that they want to pursue and a dream, and they're willing to put in the hard work. It's really about perseverance and a desire to do it.
Alba provides their students with affordable access to land and equipment, along with expert production and business support to help people achieve their dreams of owning their own farm.
We open our doors to anybody, but it's really farm workers that come to seek us out, and most of those folks are actually immigrants from Mexico.
People like Yadira Mendiola.
I came from Acapulco, Guerrero, Mexico. I am the first generation in agriculture business.
Yadira is a former student who graduated from Alba's training program in 2020.
Since I have this opportunity, now I have a dream. And I feel like so grateful because I didn't imagine that I can have my own business here in USA.
After being in the United States for nearly 20 years, Yadira is now the proud owner of an organic farm.
I have a name for my farms. It's the Queen of Vegetables Organic Farm. And
You are the queen?
I am. I am growing organic vegetables. We're focused on organic. It's my pleasure to see a lot of people happy and supporting organic. And I feel so great when people is getting the vegetables. They always say, thank you for doing this kind of work. And that's what I love it.
After graduating from the training program, Yadira started her farm on Alba's land. And right now she has close to 3 acres.
The folks that graduate from our first year part of the program, the farmer education course, they can then qualify to lease land. They always start on a half acre, which is a really small piece of land. You know, it's not enough to make a full-time income on, but it's a way to get started, you know, try it out. As you can imagine, you know, you got to put in a lot of blood, sweat, and tears to get a small business off the ground. Then you add a layer of farming on that. It's an incredible testament to how badly they want to do it. They're working full-time jobs during the week and coming to tend a half acre after working 10 hours a day, coming in the weekends.
For Yadira, she had the added challenge of being a single mother to 3 kids.
It is hard for a woman, you know, as a mom, as a mother, to be in the field or working and then thinking about your kids. Whoever comes to this country is because they want to follow up dreams and people who wants to make the difference in their life.
Every year, Alba enrolls close to 25 students. Of those, about 15 to 20 graduate.
Since Alba started, we've launched over 200 farms. Right now, as we speak, we have over 80 farms that have left Alba and are now alumni that are actively farming in this region. And they account for over 35% of the organic farms in the Tri-County area.
Luis Cervantes also came from Mexico and is currently enrolled in the training program.
I am here because I like agriculture. All of this that I see here has been helpful for me. I am learning here all the things, important things for the crops. I have to manage the crops, and then my plan is to have my own company. It's been amazing. Yeah, I have learned many things.
We are like a little kids in here, you know, you growing your kids and at some point you let them fly, right? And it's what happening here.
Really is being played out in front of my eyes on a weekly basis, the American dream.
I would like to tell them thank you for the opportunity and thank you for giving me a dream and thank you to be successful because now I have my own business, and I love it. I love it.